Okay, so what we have been able to do in the past is that we've been able to update the system with our purchases. That is our payment or purchases to be able to do our withholding tax calculation. Now we need to download our report and file with GRA. What do you do? So we still have to go back to the withholding tax service, and all our reports are over here. Go to withholding tax return report, withholding tax return report, and you see our 3 types of report over there. So we have it here. We have the GRA withholding tax report. This is the normal report that we did without the gross up. So we do different reports for the gross up and that of the non-gross up. So this is what we have over here. We run it, and it generates the report for you. It generates a report. So this is a withholding tax return. This is actual return that you're going to file with GRA. So this is actual return that you're going to file with GRA. It picked everything and does the calculation of the withholding tax. It has generated your report actually for you. So all the deductions that you made, they are populated over here. So I can download this in Excel or any other format from our file, for my file. That's for my records. One thing is that because the GRA template is an active template, you need to download this and populate it. Download that from the GRA portal and populate it in it before you be able to file that particular one. Other than that, it will not be able to update at the GRA portal. So when you are done, you will click over here, file and pay tax. File and pay tax. File and pay tax. So when you click file and pay tax, this is a link that takes you to the GRA portal. So it's supposed to take you to the GRA portal. This was actually bringing you to the GRA Ghana.gov.com. So that's why it's bringing you, but we're giving you another one now to take you to the GRA portal. So having done this for my normal, so then I can also download my gross up report. So this is also for my gross up. This is for my gross up. Okay, it does it nicely for us. Okay, so what basically, if you have gross up and the normal withholding, we need to download both of them and then merge it and put it together. That's you copy when you are populating on the GRA template. That is the one you are going to upload on the GRA taxpayer portal. You need to just copy both of them and then put it on it, and you'll be able to get the same results. Let me click this. Okay, file and pay tax. Okay, what we have over here, and this brings you to file and pay tax. To click over here, file and pay tax. This gives you a link to the GRA taxpayers portal. You have all the return over here that you can, but let me just click over here, file and pay tax, whether it takes me there. Okay, so we'll come back to this. So basically, this is how we can download our various reports from the GRA portal.